It was built for speed, designed to outrun everything in the sky, but beneath its sleek, supersonic exterior lay a deadly flaw that made even the best pilots question their fate. The Lockheed F-104 Starfighter, a marvel of Cold War engineering, was both a legend and a death trap. In the early 1950s, Lockheed's Clarence Kelly Johnson envisioned an aircraft built purely for speed and altitude. The result was a fighter with razor-thin, low aspect ratio wings, so small that they barely generated lift. Unlike modern fighters like the F-16, which maintain a carefully calculated static margin for balance and stability, the F-104 had minimal inherent stability. At high speeds, it was a supersonic dart, but at low speeds, it became an unforgiving death trap. Despite being powered by the General Electric J-79 turbojet, the F-104 suffered from poor thrust-to-weight ratio at low altitudes. Unlike modern jets with high-energy maneuvering capabilities, the Starfighter's engines spooled up too slowly, leaving pilots vulnerable in dogfights. If they needed an instant burst of power to recover from a dangerous situation, the jet often failed to respond in time. This problem, combined with its short, sharp wings, made low-speed and low-altitude flight highly dangerous. The biggest challenge, however, was the F-104's extreme stall proneness. With its tiny wing surface area, any miscalculation in angle of attack could lead to a sudden, catastrophic stall. Unlike aircraft with high-lift devices or leading-edge extensions, the Starfighter lacked aerodynamic features to help it recover from steep climbs or sharp maneuvers. Worse, its T-tail configuration sometimes caused the pitch-up phenomenon, where the aircraft would abruptly lose control and enter an irrecoverable spin. Pilots had mere seconds to eject, if they were lucky. With a landing speed exceeding 190 knots, even basic maneuvers demanded extreme precision. This resulted in an alarming accident rate, with Germany alone losing 116 starfighters, many during training. The aircraft's low-altitude instability, combined with high-speed stall tendencies, made it unsuitable for ground attack roles, despite attempts to adapt it for NATO operations. Yet despite its dangers, the F-104 left an undeniable mark on aviation history. It set world speed and altitude records, served in multiple air forces, and even contributed to spaceflight research. A machine of extremes, either a supersonic marvel or a fatal gamble.